Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for June 20th, 2017. This is the cold front that moved through yesterday. Is now going to be off to our southeast on Tuesday. So we're going to be left with partly to mostly sunny skies across the region today and a much lower humidity day than we've had over the last 3 days. So you're going to have a noticeable difference in that humidity day. It's going to be dropping off quite quickly. And you'll notice that as soon as you step out of the door this morning, it's going to be much cooler, feeling much cooler, despite temperatures getting into the lower middle 80s for highs today. So still will be warm, don't get me wrong, but it will still feel a lot cooler. Won't have those dew points in the 70s like we've had over the last several days. Were just so oppressive until those thunderstorms rolled through yesterday. Quick note of those thunderstorms, they did have an enhanced risk over parts of the area. I do think it was warranted just because we did have plenty of severe reports across the region. I know a lot of that line that came through was broken in spots, and some was fairly weak, and other places got hammered with extensive damage to trees and power lines. But you know, that's what happens with severe events. You're going to have some instances where you might get off unscathed or relatively unscathed with just some gusty winds for 10 minutes, and then it just rains and a little bit of lightning, and that's it. Next town over, or next couple towns over, might have some extensive damage from microbursts or straight line winds. So you just keep that in mind. We had these severe outbreaks. The potential is there for the entire area, but it doesn't mean the entire area will see severe weather. If that would happen, that would be pretty crazy. The only time you ever see something like that is when you have a derecho moving through, and those are very rare. So the fact that they had the enhanced risk over there and had it in advance, as much as 4 days in advance, was a pretty good job by the National Weather Service, in my opinion anyway. So that has now moved through and off the coast, and we are going to be left with the mostly sunny skies today. Partly to mostly sunny, we'll say. Here on Wednesday, we're going to call it partly cloudy skies. There is an opportunity with a front kind of dropping down from the north. There could be a passing shower. This will be a very isolated chance at a shower here. Global Model's a little bit more enthused with this, but I wouldn't give this more than about a 20% chance right now here on Wednesday afternoon, mainly for a passing shower, and then that disappears. The next system coming in from the Great Lakes region is now going to move off to the north. This is a weak area of low pressure with some rain with it. It's going to head off in this direction north of the area. It has a warm front associated with it, but along that warm front is where the showers will be. That'll be primarily north of the area. We'll have an opportunity for the far northern areas of Pennsylvania to maybe get into a quick shower here, but other than that, I think the rest of the area is dry. We're partly cloudy here on Thursday, and all the rain stays up north with that. We are going to be warmer and more humid again. Starting on Thursday, temperature's going to start going back up a little bit. Humidity is going to go back up as well and remain in place through Friday. We have another cold front moving through later Friday with some scattered showers and thunderstorms a possibility later in the day. This does not look like a real big deal right now as far as severe weather goes, but we'll keep an eye on it just in case. But this comes through, and that's going to lower the humidity for the weekend then. But at the weekend now, it looks much better. We were looking at this yesterday. It looked like they would have an opportunity for showers by the time we got to Sunday. Well, here's Saturday, and the front's off to the south. You can see that here. Front's off to the south right here. So we are partly to mostly sunny on Saturday, a little bit cooler, and still seasonable for this time of year, though. And we have humidity that are going to be at more comfortable levels once again behind that front. And then here we get to Sunday. This front is, oops, we got a little too far there. Here's Sunday, through the afternoon on Sunday, all the way to the evening. Another frontal boundary coming through here, but this is far to the west, so it does not look like it's going to affect us on Sunday either. So another partly cloudy day on Sunday is expected, and then that will come through overnight into Monday morning with a few showers, it looks like, as that front moves through. And then later in the day on Monday, skies become partly cloudy. So that's really your only chances for rain are going to be Friday afternoon and evening with that cold front. And the second chance is that Sunday night, probably late Sunday night, and Monday morning with the next front. And then that's out of here, and we start getting into more drier weather as we head into next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Marchich. That is your outlook for June 20th, 2017. Have a great Tuesday.